Hi, I'm Dave Stedman with American Seal and Packing, and I want to talk to you about mechanical seals. Now, mechanical seals come in a wide range of types and styles. They were originally developed in 1905, and as a result, they've evolved significantly since then. There's single spring seals, multiple spring seals, cartridge seals, metal bellows seals, seals that are energized simply by the pressure in the system. So there's a wide range. The most common would be a single spring seal, and in the United States that would be a type 1, a type 2, and a type 21. Doesn't matter which manufacturer you're dealing with, pretty much everybody in the industry uses the same standard. Now, we refer to ours as the ASP1, ASP2, and ASP21. The ASP1 has a large head that sits on top of a spring and has a rubber bellows to seal the shaft, has a seal face, generally made of carbon, could also be silicon carbide, tungsten carbide, glass-filled Teflon, brass, bronze. Those are the most common. The Type 2, developed after the Type 1, is different in design by the head sitting inside of the spring. The reason this was done was so that it could be made to be a shorter working length than a Type 1. The one concern that you have to have if you're converting from an ASP Type 1 to an ASP Type 2 is the ASP Type 2 is going to have a wider OD, so you have to make sure your stuffing box bore is big enough to accommodate it, but in most cases it is. The next seal developed was a Type 21, a combination of the Type 1 and 2. The head sits half inside and half above. The manufacturing process really differed because the Type 1 and 2 were originally machine seals, machined from bar stock, where a Type 21 is stamped out of sheet metal. This made the seal much less expensive. It also makes it still just as reliable, but not as repairable, because the metal is just not as thick as a machine seal. So the Type 21, or ASP Type 21, is popular with particularly pump manufacturers. If you order a pump, chances are, in the United States, chances are it's going to come with a Type 21 style seal, unless otherwise specified, because they are the least expensive. So those are the basics on the ASP Type 1, ASP Type 2, and ASP Type 21. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 714-361-1435. Our web address is www.aspseal.com. I'm Dave Stedman, and we're American Seal and Packing.